That sounds fun. Let's see. Who's the number one? Peter Piper picked a pack of peppers clicked clack. Silly Sally swiftly sliding sideways for she did. Let's go faster. Here's my test. Raja Rani rice rose rest. My turn now. Let's see who's best. Kolam kavi kodi kari kari kodi kavi kolam kavi kari kolam kodi. Okay. I have one more. Tata topi tata tuki tata tottu topi woody. Tata topi tata tuki. Oh God. You slipped. I win this round. Next time I will definitely win. Try these tongue twisters and comment below. Don't forget to challenge your friends. See you in the next